Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Holistic Cabinet. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ginger Weber, and I'm all about that essential oil lifestyle where our focus here is ditching the toxins and keeping the peace. Today, I'm going to get a little personal and show you something that's honestly been really hard for me to deal with lately. See this area right here? This is very vulnerable for me right now. My hair has gotten so much thinner up on top, and the volume I used to have is just gone. If you've been following me, or even if you haven't, you might not know that what my body went through last fall. Back in September and October, I traveled a lot, and I also got incredibly sick. It wasn't just one thing, it was the perfect storm. I had bronchitis, pneumonia, and a serious sinus infection all at the same time. And my body was fighting so hard just to get well. We often forget that trauma to the body shows up later. I recovered from the sickness, but then in November and December, it hit. And that is when the hair loss started. I'm talking scary amounts of hair loss. I was losing 2, and I even dare say 3 times the amount of hair I normally lose per wash. It was coming out in clumps in the shower. It's terrifying when that happens, right? But I realized my body was just reacting to that major stress event from months prior. So now that we're in the new year, I am laser focused on restoring this. Mama's got to get her hair back, okay? And I'm tackling it first and most importantly from the inside out. I'm going to continue eating clean and really working on restoring my gut health and detoxing, because we know healthy hair starts in the gut. I was on 3 different antibiotics, nebulizer treatments, all of that has effects in your body, inflammation, to say the least. All right. But I'm also going to give my hair some serious external help. I'm leaning heavily on my essential oils to help repair and strengthen these follicles. They've got to wake up. They've got to come back. I call this blend Mermaid Hair. It's a powerhouse spray designed to support thickness and regrowth. And I make it right here in this amber glass spray bottle. Amber glass, very important because it protects the integrity of the oils from light. So you're going to want to save this video or write this down. Here's exactly what I'm using. Okay, first the base. So I'm starting with 5 tablespoons of witch hazel. And this is going to act as an astringent to keep the hair healthy. So I'm just filling this up. My little measuring cup goes up to 4 tablespoons. So let's see here. Okay, there's 4 tablespoons. Pour that in. You guys, if you want to put a little funnel, go for it. So that's 4. I owe myself 1 more tablespoon. Let's do that. Here we go. All right, we have our astringent in our bottle. Okay, so now we can put aside our witch hazel. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of hemp seed oil. Okay, this is my secret weapon for moisture and strengthening the hair shaft so it doesn't break. So here we go. We're going to squirt in hemp oil. 1 and 2 teaspoons of hemp oil. Okay. Now, as far as measuring with utensils goes, that's it. So now we're going for the heavy hitters here. We are going to be doing 15 drops each of lavender, rosemary, cedarwood, and peppermint. So first off, let's pull up our lavender. So here's our lavender essential oil. 15 drops each, guys, okay? So let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now this is going to feel like a lot of essential oils, but this makes a 8-ounce bottle of this hair tonic serum. So it's going to last you a while, even with daily use. All right, so that's lavender done. Okay. Next, we're going to move over to our rosemary. Remember, 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, thank you, rosemary. So, lavender softens and conditions, and it also heals your scalp if it's angry. Rosemary's famous for cellular regeneration. Love that. And now here's our cedarwood. Oh, I love cedarwood. It's like being outdoors, right? 15 drops. Let's see if it wants to come out today. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sometimes oils move a little sluggishly and sometimes they're rapid fire. Cedarwood is great for thickness. Okay, and peppermint. Don't we love peppermint? Peppermint does a lot of wonderful things for us. 15 drops. Let's count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, peppermint, this is going to stimulate that blood flow, okay, to your scalp. Turn that so you can see. It's going to stimulate that blood flow, and you're going to actually feel this tingling. So those are our 15 drops each. Next, we're going to go for scalp health, and we're going to be doing 7 drops of tea tree oil. Some might call it melaleuca. So get those 7 in there. It's a hot oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There's our tea tree and 5 drops of thyme, another hot oil. 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thyme came prepared to come out of the bottle. These are amazing at keeping the follicles clean and unblocked, which we really need. And finally, let's move on to our florals, my favorite. To make it smell like high-end perfume, add shine. We're going to be doing 3 drops each of ylang ylang. And if you don't smell ylang ylang enough often, you really should. This is just a gorgeous essential oil. 3 drops, guys. 1, 2, 3. That's all it takes. And this stuff's going to smell beautiful. And then 3 drops of our lemongrass. Love lemongrass. 1, 2, 3. I also find it's a really good cleanser. Bonus that it smells wonderful as well. And finally, geranium. 1, 2, 3. Oop, 1 more. I guess I was supposed to have 1 more in this batch. And that's okay. Don't beat yourself up if 1 extra falls in. Ylang ylang is actually great for stress too. So we could all use a little bit more of that these days, right? Okay, so now that we've got all those building blocks in, this is about how much you should see in the bottle. Okay? And now you're just going to top it off with distilled or filtered water. Don't forget to leave a little room at the top for shaking, and then you're done. And screw it on. You're gonna shake it up, and you are done. Congratulations! So, and that's it. I just spray it directly into my roots. Now be careful. This is a very liquidy substance, and if you're going to hold your head straight like this or down to get to your problem areas, it's going to start dripping down your face. Ask me how I know. So what I do is I make sure that I hold my head back when I apply it. And I'm going to focus on the thinning areas that I showed you earlier. So let's go ahead and I hold it close. Scalp. All the areas that I feel self-conscious about. Everywhere that I've noticed is starting to thin. All right. And then I massage it in to stimulate blood flow. Please don't skip the massage part, guys. Get that in there. And guys, the smell, oh, it's amazing because we use some really strong, powerful oils in here. It honestly doubles as a hair perfume. It's earthy, but fresh, and it just smells like clean, healthy hair. All right. Well, I'm going to stay consistent with this, and I'll keep you posted on the progress. Let's hope next time when I come, we're going to see some hair growth right here. And I want to know, are any of you guys going to try this? And if you are, does that mean you've been struggling with post-sickness shedding or just thinning hair in general? Let me know in the comments, please. And if you whip up this mermaid hair recipe, please tag me or tell me how it goes for you. I'd love to hear your success stories. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Here's to healthy and happy hair. And as always, stay oily, my friends. Bye.